pension plans. These are for employed, for self-employed and smart planners. Now, what if your employer's contribution is not enough? Now you have to go a step further and look at individual pension plans. So if you are self-employed, a business owner, a consultant, a freelancer, or someone working in an informal sector, and there are no structures provided by your employer, you must create your own retirement structure. And this is where individual pension plans come in. These are called individual retirement benefit schemes. You open one through an approved pension provider and you keep contributing monthly or annually. This money that you contribute is invested in either banks, equities, or money market funds, or any other approved assets that have been established and put in place to invest your money. One major advantage is what we refer to as the tax benefits. In Kenya today, pension contributions reduce your taxable income up to a particular limit. That means one thing, that yes, you are saving your money for retirement, and at the same time, it reduces the taxes that you're supposed to pay. Because remember, there's what you call taxable income. So your tax is deducted from taxable income. So when your taxable income reduces, it means that the tax that you're supposed to pay from this taxable income also goes down. And this is one of the most misunderstood wealth tools or strategies that people can use in Kenya today.